Alors comment ils vont mes petites carpocoy? Elles vont super bien et elles ont pas perdu l'appétit. Oh elle est énorme celle-là. Oh je la kiffe. Ah je la kiffe.
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call. So I'm gonna do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
There's a baby. Oh, there's a little baby. Oh, it's a baby Fluffy. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's not gonna happen.
Y'all over here eating my dinner? I swear about 98% of my dinner better still be intact. I didn't say I was about to share with y'all peasants. Now y'all get the hell up out of here. And what the hell your black ass doing in the ocean? Man, hold up, y'all done already mopped this entire carcass? Oh,
I don't believe it. Look, your boy Inky's leading them into the fields. Not Archibald's. Boy Inky is. Hey, don't ruin it. Don't ruin it. Get moving. You get moving. Don't ruin it. Boy Inky's gone straight in the field. Inky has, look. Inky. Good boy.
He's really cute. He's like, I want all the toys. I'm so funny. True.
Good morning, everybody. It's time for your morning boops. Let me boop you. Let me boop you. Let me boop you. Let me give you a boopster on your nose. Let me boop. Kitty.
I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor.
Oh
Do it again.
Hi. 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 Hi.
That's so bizarre.
Stop.
oh. They hit me then, nigga. I dare you to hit me.
nigga, I dare you to hit me.
Nigga, you lucky I just ate.
Nigga, you lucky my ankle hurt.
Nigga, you lucky it's kinda hot out here.
Nigga, you lucky I ain't take my heart guard this month.
Nigga, you lucky this window ain't got no grip.
Nigga, you lucky I'm a Christian, otherwise...
Nigga, you ain't lucky, you just scared. Just hit me then.
You're just mad cause you ain't lucky, nigga.
Oh yeah, so you lucky she closing this window. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, that's a bet. Alright, let's get through the chimney. No hesitate, no hesitate. Come on, let's go before we get caught. You know the drill. Ah, damn. Hey, Malik. Hey, I think they done caught us here recording too. What do I do? What do we do? Look, bro, I'm gonna need you to put the camera down and delete this footage, because if I see this shit on Facebook or TikTok, I'm gonna beat the f out of you while Animal Control watch. And if you snitch on us, best believe we gonna strangle that weak-ass pit bull you got in that house. Don't make us put these thumbs to use, alright? Hey, Javier, about time. Hey, check to see if this door opens. Stick your head through. I don't trust it. You know. Oh, is that bacon? Hold up. Here I come. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Oh, no, I don't trust. I ain't busting my nose on this door again. You know what? Let me see. What is physics?
What's up?
ready? Do you want me to open it up?
Alright, James is videoing it.
Just a little chunk of hope. Keeps me going every day. I hope that one day things will change. But a little chunk of hope keeps me going every day.
Hey yo, catnip check.
Ooh, this shit be hitting different. Papa l'americano.
So guys, I found this snake in the woods. I really can't tell if it's a water moccasin. It kind of looks like a water moccasin, you know? Are those things like poisonous or something, right?
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Here, give it here. No, let go. Spit it out. Spit it out.
You love Fruit Loops? Me too. What are you doing? Stop. Stop.
И я рад приветствовать вас на своем пушистом канале. Здравствуйте всем, привет всем! А у нас сегодня Бутусов воспитывает Каташьян. Каташьян! Зараза такая. Не воспитывает, а кусает, пользуется моментом. Иди сюда, кошачья наглая морда.
Get down, man. Get down. Get down.
Hours of fun right there.
It'll be worse.